Off the Grid with City Kid and Mark the Shark. Catch and Cook. Hey guys, it's Mark and Josh. We are in Warwick, Maryland, doing a catch and cook today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go find the biggest fish. He doesn't even know we're coming yet, but we're on our way. We're going to catch him. We're going to fillet him. We're going to cook him, and we're going to eat him. And we're going to show you how it's done. Click and subscribe to our link below. And don't forget to bait that hook, if you know what I mean. That's what we're doing. We're catching and cooking. So now that we're shooting our video here, catching these fish, we're bringing them in.
I found this fishing rod in the dumpster. The reel's broken. Let's see if I can catch the fish anywhere. You could pull in the canoe if you're on the canoe, man.
Yeah, he would be. Got a big one. We got a big one. We got a big old catfish coming in here. He's a blue cat. Nice cat. He's a blue. Big one. Got him. Big old catfish.
We're just gonna fillet it. If you don't want that fishy, bottom feeder type of flavor on your meat, I recommend taking this. I call it the back strap. Okay, so basic procedure is I'm just gonna take a fillet and put it in this egg and milk mixture. I like to just put a little bit of lemon on the top there. There we go.
Okay, we got the fish cook going on here now.
I'm gonna heat this up first.
Get the frying pan with some butter on it. We cook that down a little bit to get the right heat going for the fish. Once that cooks down to a nice got the catfish fry going on now. Four nice fillets. Fish is coming out really good. Just flipped it once. And another 2-3 minutes, be good to go. Your finger looking good. Mark the Shark's gonna check it out. Tell me how the catfish is. It's good. It's cooked. Catfish is done. Fish fry is official. Try a piece of catfish. Woo!
Is it hot?
What do you think? Is it good?
Try a piece, Josh?
All right. Yep.
Cut them up.
Going in.
Try and get in.
Going in. Fish fries officially fried. And it's really good. Success.